Good morning, students. Welcome in SST class. Today in SST class, we will revise our chapter, The Coastal Plain and Island. Dear students, India is blessed with long coastline because India is surrounded by water bodies from three sides. Beta, it is east direction, and in the east, India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal. In the east, India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal. In the west, India is surrounded by Arabian Sea. In the west, India is surrounded by Arabian Sea. And beta, in the south, India is surrounded by Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Beta, Indian coastline start from Run of Kutch and its end at West Bengal. Here, its end at West Bengal. It start from Run of Kutch. Beta, we can divide Indian coastal plain into two parts, Western coastal plain and Eastern coastal plain. Beta, Western coastal plain starts from Gujarat and ends at Kanyakumari. Look here in the map of India. It starts from here, Gujarat, and its end at Kanyakumari. Here. And beta, Eastern coastal plain starts from here, West Bengal, and stretches from Kanyakumari like this. Like this. Beta, it is Western coastal plain and it is Eastern coastal plain. It is Western coastal plain and beta, it is Eastern coastal plain. Eastern coast. Look here. It is Western coastal plain and it is Eastern coastal plain. And beta, Western coastal plain is divided into three parts. Western coastal plain is divided into three parts. Beta, the top part is known as Gujarat coast. Which part? Beta, top part is known as Gujarat coast. Top part is known as Gujarat coast. And beta, middle part is known as Konkan coast. Middle part is known as Konkan coast. Beta, Konkan coast. C-O-N-K-A-N, Konkan coast. Beta, middle part is known as Konkan coast. And beta, the bottom part. Beta, this is Konkan part, middle part, and the bottom part is known as Malabar coast. Malabar coast. In this way, beta, Western coastal plain is divided into three parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. And beta, Eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. Northern part is known as Northern Sircars. It is known as Northern Sircars. And beta, the bottom part is known as Coromandel coast. Coro, C-O-R-O, Coromandel, M-A-N-D-A-L, Coromandel coast. Northern part is known as Northern Sircars and the bottom part is known as Coromandel coast. Beta, in Western coastal plain, which states lie in the Western coastal plain? Beta, very सिंपल आप लर्न करोगे जीके मैम, जीके जीके मैम, MAM मैम, जीके बेटा। G stand for गुजरात। States lie in the western coastal plain, Gujarat. K for Kerala, M for Maharashtra, and beta A for Andhra Pradesh, A for Andhra Pradesh, A for Andhra Pradesh, बेटा गुजरात, केरला, बेटा गुजरात, केरला, महाराष्ट्र, बेटा गुजरात, केरला, महाराष्ट्र, एंड बेटा गोवा, एंड के फॉर कर्नाटका, कर्नाटका। G for Gujarat, K for Kerala, M for मैम, Maharashtra, G for Goa, and K for Karnataka. GK, M for मैम, GK. Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka states lie in western coastal plain. Beta, in eastern coastal plain, which states lie? Beta, first is West Bengal, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and beta पुडुचेरी, पुडुचेरी इसको आप टॉप से लर्न कर सकते हो। तमिलनाडु, उड़ीसा, पुडुचेरी, and beta West Bengal states lie in eastern coastal plain. And beta in India there are two groups of island also found. Beta it is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island lie in the Bay of Bengal. Do you know Andaman Island is a group of beta 300 small islands, but only few of them are inhabited because these islands are covered with thick forest. Beta, and second island is Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island lies in Bay of Bengal. Beta, here is Lakshadweep Island and it's lie in Arabian Sea. Beta, Lakshadweep Island lies in Arabian Sea, and beta it is also near Malabar coast, and it is group of 36 islands, and only 10 of them are inhabited, rest are not inhabited. And beta people visit Lakshadweep Island due to its coral reef. समुद्र की जो वनस्पति है उसकी वजह से जो लोग हैं यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा घूमने आते हैं. So beta 2 islands, Andaman Nicobar Island and beta Lakshadweep Island are also part of India. Thank you and have a nice day. Revise this topic properly. Bye bye.